I am here, way to Dumbriguda, Araku Valley, Andhra Pradesh. My location to destinations is Chaprai, which has this small beautiful park where you can stay for some time and relax. Beyond the park, there is the waterfalls, famous for gentle movement. Due to its natural, serene surroundings, the waterfalls are quite popular amongst Telugu filmmakers. This waterfall is significant, known for a cascading waterway with rock pools for swimming and sliding. The waterfalls feature smooth, slanting rocks and natural water slides. The waterfalls are popular for camping and swimming. It is advisable to avoid visiting the waterfalls during the monsoon season. Although it looks gentle, you should be very cautious as the rocks here can be slippery. Chaprai waterfalls are situated at a 15-kilometer distance from Araku. You have to go by vehicles, hiring local taxi or auto. And coming to Araku, you have to travel by train from Visakhapatnam.